Does my hair look beautiful? Do my titties look right? Think I can knock a boy off right now?
All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth then.
Righto, I forgot to record when I first got here, but I'm doing it now. I've only been here for an hour or so anyway, but I'm checked in to the first hotel. I've just ordered a bit of grub because I haven't ate since last night. 14.5-hour flight to Dubai. Just ordered a bit of Shake Shack. Get a crank of that. Little 7-Up there, no caffeine, because me and Muzz are still doing no caffeine so far. Been doing that for 2 months. We finish up on the 17th of this month. So I'm keen for a white monster. Holy fuck. I'll give you a bit of a room tour a bit later on, but this is so far the room. ISO's a bit high, I'll turn that down and you can't even see that. I'll fucking do that later. Righto. First day in Dubai. Don't really know what the plan is today, just winging it. Bit of a walk. They got the river down there, bit of a creek. So I'm gonna go for a bit of a walk down there. It's about 7 minutes away, so just gonna go cruise about. It's about 35 today. They reckon it's gonna get to about 41 in a few hours, so that'll be alright. See how we go in the heat, but yeah, I'll take you with me wherever we go. Righto, been walking for about an hour and a half. Got no idea where I am. Couldn't find the little creek they got here, ended up finding that, but so far still haven't been able to find a brekkie place, which I thought would have been a whole lot easier, but so far no good. Sweating me cunt off. Feels like 45 degrees. Got no water. Phone's overheated, camera's overheated. I'm about to overheat. So hopefully we can find a pathway here that leads us back to the main street, and hopefully I can find a bit of a brekkie joint and a nice cold drink would be good. Anyway, that's a me problem, not you. So we'll figure it out. Righto. Ended up turning around and we're out of Subway for the house. Over house there, Subway. I didn't have too much luck with breakfast. Walked for about 2 hours, got stuck down at the creek around there. Couldn't bloody find anywhere to eat. Ended up finding a place to go, a little cafe. Ended up being alright. Just came back home, just chilled at home for the rest of the arv, done a little bit of work on the lappy. And at the moment, just cooking up a bit of grub, done a bit of a grocery shop, just got a bit of pasta cranking. As most of some of you might know, I'm a bit of a fussy eater. So just got a bit of spag cranking up. Can't go wrong with a bit of spag bowl. What do we got for the rest of the night? Just gonna eat this up. I'm that fucking hungry. Can't wait for this good grub. Bit of food, eat that, and then probably just gonna chill out, watch a bit of YouTube, and start planning for this YouTube video that you guys will be watching. I'll start planning for that, start putting a bit of videos and shit together, and yeah, wake up tomorrow and thinking I might head down to Dubai Mall. I want to go check out a new lens for the camera. I want to get that real crisp f-stop look, that 1.4, 1.8 maybe, something to go suss out like a camera store or something, and also just check out a ND filter or maybe a Pro Mist filter maybe as well, and that'll get, because the glare, I couldn't use this camera to record today because like even if I had it on like 50 ISO, it was just so glary, you could not see anything. So I need to suss something out for that. I got a bit of GoPro footage, it's what you guys would have just seen, or if you guys see it in the next few minutes. But yeah, I need to suss something out there. But yeah, catches tomorrow. Righto, day 3. Just had a bit of brekkie, whatnot, and I've actually got the fitness and medical test today. So I got a message from the boys last night telling me where to meet them for that. So I'm about to catch an Uber in about 10 minutes, head down to some smart fitness centre. I'm gonna go do a medical test, and then I'm gonna get my biometrics scanned as well. And then that way I can get my Emirates ID card. So over the next 2 days, I can't leave the apartment. I've just got to wait for that to come in. So over the next 2 days, I'll just be chilling out, waiting for the Emirates ID card to come through, and then I can get back out of the house again. But I'll take you through wherever I go, but I'll take the GoPro because the camera, it's still so bright out there for you. But anyway, I'll take you with me. Righto, we went and done the medical fitness test and the biometrics, and I got that done today. That was pretty good. That only took 2 hours. That was alright, in and out. And then at the moment we're just cooking up a bit of grub, cooking up my favourite meal, a bit of butter chicken. This is what we got cranking. Bit of rice, bit of chicken. That chicken looks really brown from this angle for some reason, but anyway. And we got some paratha bread. Paratha bread, I think it's called. Normally I have papadums with my butter chicken, but I couldn't find any papadums on the in the shop, so we opted out for a bit of paratha bread, so we're going to give that a crack. And then we're just going to finish the night off by watching a bit of YouTube, I reckon, and chill out. And I'll see you guys for day 4. I've actually ordered a new lens and a couple other extra things that's going to up the content for us for the Aussie Bros. So I'm keen to suss that out. I've got most of it coming tomorrow, and then I've got something coming on Wednesday. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Righto, butter chicken, all done. Got that ready to crack. She's looking pretty nice. Bro, had to try that paratha bread. What a treat. That shit is fucking good, boys. If you haven't had a crack at that, get yourself around the paratha bread. It's like a pastry cross bread kind of thing. So it's like not like your papadums where it's like crunchy and you put it in your papadums, but this is like, it's like your naan bread with a bit of pastry. It's actual fire. It is fucking good. Anyway, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna crack into this because my stomach's eating itself alive. So I'll catch us tomorrow. Righto, I've just decided I'm gonna go for a bit of a walk. I'm on the hunt for a bit of a white monster because tomorrow is officially 2 months since me and Muzz been doing our no caffeine. And let me tell you, first thing tomorrow morning, I am cracking onto a white monster. Anyway, there'll be a little bit of a video on Instagram about that, get that up for you. But yeah, just gonna go for a bit of a stroll, just gonna go see what's around. I'll take the camera with me this time because obviously it's not fucking blaring with the sun, so it'll look a little bit different with the night time, nice lights and whatnot. So we'll go see what's about, hopefully find a white monster. And it's 8:30 at the moment and it's still nearly 40 degrees. Don't know if you can see that, 38.9. Still pretty fucking hot. So anyway, we'll go suss it out and see what it's about, see where the wind takes us.
Till you turn to ashes. Got me till they put me in my casket.
This shit doesn't inspire. Fuck me dead, I don't know what will, boys. Gotta go out and chase your dreams. Move countries. Got no idea what the fuck you're doing. You just gotta take it one day at a time and just figure it out. That's the best thing about a chippy that I've been taught. Being a chippy, on site, no matter what you do, we always just find a way to get it done. If the boys on the work side are watching this, they'll have a bit of a laugh about that saying. That's a motto that stuck by with us for the last 4 years. See ya. She was zooming, bro. Don't know if you guys can hear that. It sounds like it's coming from Dubai Mall over there somewhere. Lads singing on the speakers. The lads are going off. Righto, what's going on? We've done a whole lot of fuck all today. I'll be honest with you. Done fucking absolutely nothing. But that's alright. You have those days. So I'm about to go head out. I couldn't be fucked to cook food, and I don't know what I'm gonna do because most of the restaurants around here they're about fucking $50 for a burger or something. I'm not fucking paying that. Fuck, that's loud. Hopefully you can't hear that, but yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna go for a bit of fucking walkabouts and see what the fuck the go is, and might pull up somewhere if it's cheap enough, and yeah, fucking take his with me. I've got the new filter on too, the 1.4 filter, Pro Mist filter 1.4. So hopefully the lights and all that kind of jazz might look pretty smick tonight if I get anything on record. Anyway, righto. Ended up walking past the joint, so we're just gonna cruise back the other way and try and find it, I suppose. Righto. I don't know if you can see me that well, but hopefully you can see the background. I don't know what fucking day it is, but anyway, I just got to duck down to the mall and duck into a phone shop. I've got to grab my local phone number, and then I've got to connect that to my Emirates ID card, so then I can start getting my bank accounts and all that money transferred over into AED. Anyway, I'll take you through a bit of a gym sesh later today, a bit of a push sesh. But besides that, not doing too much else. Just work.
Yeah, they ask me like what's my type. Swiley, I ain't gonna type. I just want money, women on such. Show love, get love, and make it all night. Few years I hope to take flight. Wanna book my mum that plane to Dubai. And tell the stress, compare the less. In the meantime, love you buy. City girl blown up my iPhone. Weren't really there when I needed the right one. Two-sided every time we're fighting. I hear your side, so allow me mine. Can't just slap on a movie tune. No time, need money and bills. Only time that I'll get to chill is when my money coming in their meals.
Righto, what's going on? It's about 10 o'clock at the moment, about to head down to the Burj. Just gonna go get some content down there, suss that out. I'm checking out of this hotel tomorrow and heading down to Dubai Marina. I'm in another joint for 5 nights, and then I go into the last spot for 11 nights. So I finish the next 2 weeks off down at the Marina, and then we'll decide on a permanent place where we want to go. But anyway, let's go suss this Burj out, eh? See what all the fuss is.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge. The coat seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she say she in 3D. Wow. I go in the jungle and they got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. I bet I do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Big. Color stones in my infinity link. And in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same.
What's going on, legends? It's been a while since I picked up the camera. The last time I picked it up probably would have been back in the other apartment, I'm pretty sure. I've taken a bit of a break off the camera. I've just been focusing on that big video that I dropped a few weeks ago. Today we're actually going to go look for an apartment. I'm going to go suss out one in the marina today. It's at the other end of the marina that I'm currently at now. But this one looks not too bad. We've got another one lined up on the 17th, which is tomorrow, from the day that I'm recording this. So I don't know if I'm allowed to record in the apartment or whatnot, but I'm gonna give it a go, and I'll might even chuck together a little sneaky edit of the apartment. But yeah, let's go suss it out together.
Hey, yeah. Top, fuego. Hey, I'm getting paid. Yeah. Hey. She lie to your face. I really don't get it. She say what you want her to say.
Righto, legends. As you seen yesterday, we went and checked out that first apartment. It's about 3:40 at the moment. I've got to go suss out another apartment at 4, so I'm about to leave the apartment now, head down. It's literally two hotels down the road. It's literally only 100 meters, so I'll be there in literally 2 minutes. Well, that was a total waste of time. Went and sat in the lobby for about an hour, messaged the agent or the host of the apartment, like after 15-20 minutes, finally got back to me after an hour and said the agent can get there at 5:30. The booking was at 4 o'clock to check the apartment out. And I was like, mate, don't even bother. Let's just reschedule it.